Two industry titans are set to take AI's evolution to new heights. Johnny Ive, the visionary former design chief at Apple, has joined forces with Sam Altman, the founder and CEO of OpenAI, to create what they're calling the iPhone of AI, a device poised to redefine our relationship with technology in ways we can scarcely imagine. With reports that they're seeking up to $1 billion in funding, it's clear that Ive and Altman are going all in on this ambitious endeavor. And given their track records of groundbreaking innovation, you can bet that the result will be nothing short of revolutionary. But the real question is, what kind of revolutionary features and capabilities could this iPhone of AI possibly have? And how might it change the way we think about personal technology? The details surrounding this new iPhone of AI project are still shrouded in mystery, but one thing is clear. Johnny Ive and Sam Altman are thinking far beyond the traditional smartphone. Rather than simply iterating on existing smartphone designs, Ive and Altman seem to be determined to reinvent the very concept of how we interact with technology. The rumors suggest this device won't even resemble a phone, leaving us to wonder what kind of futuristic form factor are they envisioning. Given the pedigree of the individuals involved, we can expect their approach to be both innovative and meticulously designed. Ive is renowned for his ability to craft products that are not only functionally remarkable, but also visually stunning. And Altman's deep expertise in artificial intelligence will undoubtedly shape the device's core capabilities in revolutionary ways. This is not your typical tech startup venture. These are two industry titans, each at the top of their respective fields, joining forces to create something that could fundamentally change the way we think about personal computing devices. Both of them are going all in on this project, as evidenced by their reported quest for up to $1 billion in funding. With such an investment at their disposal, one can only imagine the kind of cutting-edge features and capabilities they'll be able to pack into the device. The sheer scale of their funding goals would suggest this is no mere experiment, but rather a concerted effort to create something that will truly revolutionize the way we interact with technology. In many ways, the investment mirrors the approach that transformed the original iPhone into a cultural phenomenon. Apple poured significant resources into R&D and design, ultimately delivering a product that redefined the smartphone landscape. Ive and Altman seem to be going for a similar paradigm shift, but this time with AI as the primary driver of innovation. Ive and Altman's commitment to this project is further underscored by the fact that they've actually formed a brand new company specifically for its development. This isn't only a side hustle or a pet project, they're building an entire organization from the ground up to bring their vision to life. The funding efforts for this iPhone of AI project are already well underway, and the list of potential investors reads like a who's who of the tech world. Ive and Altman are reportedly in discussions with the likes of Thrive Capital and Emerson Collective. And surprisingly, Emerson Collective is a venture capital firm founded by Laurene Powell Jobs, the widow of Steve Jobs. Having Jobs as an investor would lead to a scenario where the Ive-Altman company will compete directly with Apple. Rumors also suggest that SoftBank CEO Masayoshi Son has been part of the early discussions surrounding this endeavor, and that's a name that carries a lot of weight. Son is renowned for his keen eye for cutting-edge technologies, having invested over $140 billion into AI-related startups in recent years. With the likes of SoftBank, Thrive Capital, and Emerson Collective in their corner, Ive and Altman have access to a wealth of resources and a network of industry connections that could prove invaluable as they work to bring their vision to life. As we ponder the possibilities of this iPhone of AI, it's natural to wonder what kind of form factor and design aesthetic Johnny Ive and Sam Altman might be envisioning. Given Altman's previous involvement with the Humane AI Pin, a wearable AI device that forgoes a traditional screen, it's possible that this new iPhone of AI could take a similarly unconventional approach to the user interface. Ive's legendary design touch is sure to play a pivotal role in shaping the device's aesthetic as well. After all, this is the same design genius who was responsible for the iconic look and feel of Apple's most groundbreaking products, from the iMac to the iPhone. While the design specifics remain tightly guarded, Johnny Ive has dropped a few hints about the team's overall approach and vision. There are talks of an interface that seamlessly integrates artificial intelligence into our daily lives. As if the development of this iPhone of AI wasn't already fascinating enough, there's an intriguing subplot unfolding in the background: the ongoing battle for top AI talent. It seems that OpenAI has been aggressively recruiting engineers from Tesla, much to the annoyance of Elon Musk. Musk has gone so far as to describe this talent war as the craziest he's ever seen. These tech giants are pulling out all the stops to secure the best and brightest minds in the field. And Musk isn't sitting idly by as OpenAI poaches his employees. Oh no, the Tesla CEO is fighting back, increasing the compensation for his own AI engineering team in an effort to retain that crucial talent. And in the latest twist, one of Tesla's top AI researchers has jumped ship. The scientist in question is Ethan Knight, a machine learning expert who had been a key part of Tesla's autopilot team. According to Musk himself, Knight was originally planning to join OpenAI, but in a surprising turn of events, he ultimately decided to take his talents to Musk's new venture, xAI, instead. It's a fascinating display of the industry-wide battle for AI supremacy, with major players like Musk, Altman, and even Mark Zuckerberg personally reaching out to top researchers and engineers. Amidst all the excitement, there's been another notable development over at OpenAI, a significant shift in the management of the company's venture capital fund. Sam Altman has decided to hand over the reins of the OpenAI startup fund to Ian Hathaway, a strategic advisor who has played a key role in the fund's investments since its inception. This is a rather intriguing move, as Altman had previously been named the controller of the fund. The decision to step back from the direct oversight suggests that he's either become increasingly occupied with the new venture or that he's simply taking a more hands-off approach to this particular aspect of OpenAI's operations. What's even more interesting is the fact that Altman never had any personal financial stake in the OpenAI startup fund to begin with. The fund was structured in a way that prevented him from profiting directly from its performance. This shift in leadership of the $325 million fund is certainly a significant development, particularly given the fund's focus on investing in early-stage AI-driven startups. Under Hathaway's guidance, the fund has already backed a number of promising ventures, including Ambience Healthcare, Cursor, Harvey, and Speak. The question on everyone's mind, of course, is how this change in management will impact the fund's future direction and investment strategy. Will Hathaway maintain the existing approach, or will he put his own stamp on the portfolio and the decision-making process? It will be fascinating to see how the OpenAI startup fund evolves under Hathaway's leadership and whether the changes in oversight will have any ripple effects on the wider AI landscape. As we step back and consider all of the developments surrounding the iPhone of AI project, I can't help but feel a sense of awe and anticipation. This isn't a casual experiment or a simple product iteration. This is a concerted effort to create something truly revolutionary, something that could fundamentally alter the way we interact with artificial intelligence on a daily basis. What's especially intriguing is the way this iPhone of AI project is intersecting with the broader shifts happening within OpenAI itself. The decision by Sam Altman to step back from the direct oversight of the company's venture capital fund suggests that he's laser-focused and that he's willing to delegate certain responsibilities in order to dedicate his full attention to the new project. This project represents a true inflection point in the evolution of technology, where the boundary-pushing work of visionaries like Ivan Altman could reshape the very way we interact with the digital world. As the details continue to unfold, be sure to keep it locked right here for all of the latest updates and insights. And don't forget to let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear your predictions and reactions to this game-changing initiative. And while you're at it, why not hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell. That way, you'll never miss a beat as this incredible journey unfolds.